Welcome to the project demonstration of table cleaning robot controlled from Bluetooth Android mobile phone. So in this system, the robot I use it to clean the table by using these mechanisms, and this system will control in telescopic robotic arm, and it was controlled by the 1000 RPM Johnson motor, and the whole system of this robotic arm will be move up and down with the help of this 10 RPM box type DC motor. So these two motors along with 4 DC motors for 4-wheel drive purpose, this robot can move in 4 directions: forward, backward, left, right, and one more main motor for pumping of cleaning water. Whatever it is, dish cleaning or something, table cleaning water will be pumping from the tanker through this pipe. We can see that. And here there are the 3 sections of cleaning. One is for the plates, and it will take, and next the water will be pumping, and it will wipe the water, and the next is dry cleaning purpose. So these are the 3 systems, and the whole system controlled by the Android mobile phone. And for the powering purpose, we are making use of 12 volt 7 amp battery, and this is the plates collection dustbin. And coming to this electronics parts, so here 12 volt 7 amp battery, and which is a rechargeable battery. So directly it was attached to the charger. So in order to charge this battery, just we need to connect this plug to the 230 volts and make it on for 12 hours. Then only the battery will get fully charged. So after that you can disconnect the power supply, and this is a main on off switch. So when the battery is fully charged, sufficient power, when we switch on this switch, then there will be a red indication on and off 2 times, and green light is a power LED indication. And next, so we are going to provide the 12 volts as input to the system, and by microcontroller I need 5 volts rated power supply. So for that we are making use of 7805, and after that we'll get the 5 volts of constant DC voltage. And when we provided that input power supply to the 6272 microcontroller, it start reading input from the Bluetooth module HC05, and based on the input signals from your Android mobile phone, the robot the controller will take the decision of controlling the robot in 4 directions, as well as stop, and also water motor on and off, and the robotic arm up and down, and so this cleaning setup to and from motion from the telescopic robotic arm movement. So let us see the demonstration, and before that let me explain you the relays also. So here we connected these 2 motors are parallel, and these 2 motors are parallel. When we are controlling the robot in forward movement, then these 2 motors along with these 2 motors will rotate in forward. So it will move forward and backward, reverse direction of these 2 motors. And the left side, these 2 DC motors will rotate backward, and this is forward, so that it rotates the left side, as well as same right side also. These 2 are the back, and these 2 are the forward, the right side movement. And these 4 directions of the robot will be controlled by these 4 relays. So 4 relays are used to control this 4 direction movement along with stop. And also coming to the remaining 4 relays, in that 2 relays, so the upper 2 relays are connected to the robotic arm telescopic movement, and down these 2 relays are used to control this motor to up and down. And also one more relay is there. This is the blue relay, is used to on and off our main water pumping system. So these are the main electrical parts and sections. So let me execute the project. So before switching on the system, we need to install the application in your phone. So that is HPS Technologies robotic control system, and go to the Bluetooth. So this is only the initial step. So first time step in your phone, and now switch on the power supply, and we can see that right, the Bluetooth module is continuously blinking as it's indicating searching for a connection. And now check for available devices. Right, so we got the HC05. So it will ask for the password. It's going to be the 1234 is the password. Right, 1234 is a password. So after click on OK, now this is only the first time setup. Now go to the application. So when you are opening the application in your phone first time, So just you need to pair the system from the settings. Then after, so come into the navigation bar, hold that button, and we can see the connect to HOS technologies. Now connect to HOS technologies. Now search for HC05, and after connection was successfully done, we can see that blinking on the Bluetooth module will be slows down. HC05. Right, so connection was successfully done and the blinking on the Bluetooth module got slowed down. Right, so now yeah, right, so forward, stop, so there is a backward movement of the robot, stop, okay, and the left side. Okay, and the next robotic arm up and down movement is for, here we can know that B and D. So B is down movement and D for up movement. So we can control that. Right. So for every direction, if you want to stop any motor movement, you can click on the center button. And the next A is for telescopic arm. It will move forward. And backward is for C. Right. A is forward and C is a backward movement for the robotic arm. And also water pumping purpose, E and F. So we switch on the E, we can see that the cleaning water is coming from, and then automatically off from the F. Right. Thank you.